Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing good. Today I'm going to talk about an amazing browser which I believe you guys are gonna love. It allows you to do a lot of stuff and do like a lot of stuff, especially the people who they like to advertise stuff and they like to use multiple accounts, like you are using a Facebook and you want to use multiple accounts. This browser allows you to do it. So first we are going to see what this browser can give us, the features and the prices. So first, the free account, you can see that if you're paying monthly, it has like 4 ways to make the payment, like monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, like after 6 months, annually after like 12 months. So monthly, if you have a free package of $0 per month, profiles amount 10, which I will let you tell you in like few minutes what that means. Member amount limit, 1 member, like you created an account and you are going to use that account. And open times per day, you can open 50 times per day. Deep development of Google and Firefox kernel, and these are like deep digging things. And then you go to the base and it allows you to add 50 profiles, and 2 people can have the same amount, same account. Like you open an account, you add a member to that account as a team, and then you will be able to the other people will be able to use that account as well. It also has open time per day, like 5,000. This package includes all the features from the free package. And then you have custom package, you can select whatever you want, then it will give you the price according to that. Quarterly, the free package is still free. You make $27 per quarter, like you're getting at least like $3 discount when you're making the payment for all 3 months. If you go for like 6 months, 10 times 6, it will 60, and you are getting discount $12. If you go over like annually, you're getting discounts for like $26. 10 times 12, $120, and if you're paying for the whole year, you're getting $26. Oh, sorry, $36 of discount. So this is what, according to the prices. Let's go to the product, and then we will see the features, which I already told you some of them. And here it's showing us how many profiles you have added. They have chat support if you happen to need them, want to talk to customer service. Most of the people over here, you can just click and talk to them. And a lot of other big companies are using this browser as well as a partner. You can use the QR code for the WhatsApp chat service and Telegram chat service. Download the app and it will take you straight to them. And now what we're gonna do, we are gonna download the app. I'm using Windows 64-bit. There is also available for Mac OS Apple Silicon and Mac OS Intel. So who you guys have no idea about what Silicon Apple are or what Intels are, like the models which are coming with a Core i7 or Core i5 processor, those are Mac OS Intel, and the model which are coming with M1, M2, M3 and M4, those are Apple Silicon. And same like 64-bit, not same like, it's like the whole different world apart from Apple. Windows and 32, 62, I'm using 62-bit. It requires minimum of Windows 7 and then or later, which I'm using Windows 11 right now, so I'm gonna download this one. It's asking for authentication, like not some sort of robot is doing this kind of thing. Well, it's downloading right now. Once it downloads, we will install it first. The file size is 218 MB. That's a lot for a browser, but you're getting a lot of features as well. So let me just bring the window over here. Here it is. Let's extract it. We got it here. I'm gonna install it. Installing right now only for me. Yes, I'm gonna install the. Let's click next. It will be installed soon. Once it's installed, it's probably gonna ask for the free account credentials. We will create an account as well if we need to, and if not, then I will show you the features of this browser, BitBrowser. Let's close this. We don't need it right now. We are going to close the Google Chrome. What I like about it, the people who they advertise, like digital marketers, or who they are providing services for advertisement, like running campaigns or Meta, if they are providing services to multiple people, they can easily log into multiple Facebook accounts, multiple TikTok accounts. It has like whole a lot of platforms list where you can log in at the same time. So I'm going to run this, check this box is already checked, and I'm going to hit finish to launch the browser. Once the browser will be launched, and then I will talk about how you can do things on it. Okay, now it's asking for the password. I'll do the pin. Okay. See, that's what I doubted. It's asking me to create an account. Okay, let's create an account. Okay, sign up now. Alright, so I doubted that when you open this, it's gonna make you create an account. So you can click on sign up BitBrowser, and you can create account with email. You can create account with your phone number, but it's only allowing to create an account with the China number +86, which from country. So I would recommend using the email address. Get the code, verify the email address, invitation. If you have any, just sign up and hit check this before you click on sign up button. And once you're done with the sign up, and then we will go and sign in the browser. So here I'm going to sign in. Alright, so I'm going to click login, and you will see the BitBrowser. It's going to work in. Interesting. There you go. Good afternoon. Welcome to login BitBrowser. Here you go. So you have some promotion reward has been launched. You can read it and go through this. I acknowledge and agree. Okay. So you have a dashboard here, you have browser profiles. This is all of your dashboard, how many users are using, how many profiles you are allowed to create, which I did not create any yet. 0 assigned, 0 used. And then you have proxy IP options and script market, and you can click on browse profiles. Here you can click on add profile, and then you can choose the platform you want, and here you go. Like if you want to create multiple Facebook profiles or log in your multiple Facebook accounts, you can do that over here. You can log in multiple TikTok accounts, you can log in multiple Instagram, Twitter as next at the moment. You can log in multiple WhatsApp, LinkedIn China, LineMe, and a lot more. You can click on multiple Etsy account. If you have a store on Etsy, you can do that as well. You can log in Walmart, Shopify.com. It's literally giving you a lot of options to use. I believe it's wonderful, to be honest, and you don't need to. I mean, you can log in as many as profile. You can add the profile. You can add the profile first, and then you can go through one by one. Whatever you want to use, you can click on the profile and use it. So this is a big thing. I never happened to see in any browser company giving you these features. So then you have font profile, you have a credit for that as well, RPA, groups, proxy IP extensions. You want to do extensions into this, you can add extensions as well. Here are users, like if you are using, so the plans I talked about, it has like option for free package, which allows you to have no member, no user, but it allows you to create at least 10 accounts. So you can add up to 10 profiles in browse profiles section. And let's say if you buy the other plan, which allows you to have another user, like 2 members, you can go to users, you can add a user, and you can also add the role according to that, like admin or standard user, kind of like primary account holder is this person, and then you can, what kind of access you want to give him. You can check all of the options, and he will have access to all the profiles and all that. If you just want to give him access to limited options or limited profiles, you can check or uncheck about it. So yeah, that's kind of like giving you a lot of options in the browser, and so you can do that as well. You should try, I would say, and that's all about it. So if you guys like this video, please go and follow the channel, subscribe the channel, share the video, hit the like button, and comment if you guys have any questions about it. So if you like it, go hit subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.